Hello everyone, today in this video I will discuss 20 tips and tricks to lower the blood pressure quickly. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. If left uncontrolled, it can lead to serious health complications such as heart disease and stroke. While medication is often prescribed to manage the blood pressure, there are also natural methods that can help lower it instantly. So in this video, we will explore some effective ways to lower the blood pressure quickly and naturally. Deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises such as diaphragmatic breathing can help relax the body and reduce stress, which in turn can lower the blood pressure. So take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Repeat this for a few minutes to experience the calming effects. Number 2. Lie down. Lying down can also help you relax. It can help your blood flow and bring down your blood pressure. Try lying down for about 10 minutes for the best results. Number 3. Cold compression. Placing cold compresses such as ice packs or cold towels on your forehead, neck or wrist can help constrict the blood vessels and lower the blood pressure. However, ensure the compresses are not too cold to avoid the discomfort or skin damage. Number 4. Drink tea. A cup of hibiscus, chamomile or green tea can also help you feel calmer. These relax the blood vessels and calm the body and the mind, which can promote good sleep and lower the blood pressure. Then certain drinks. Some beverages can help to lower blood pressure because they contain lycopene, potassium or other elements which are associated with a health benefit for hypertension. These include tomato juice, grapefruit juice, apple juice, beet juice, pomegranate juice, and low-fat or fat-free milk. Number 6. Eat dark chocolate. Regularly eating dark chocolate may help to lower the blood pressure because of the flavanol content. This natural compound can relax the blood vessels through vasodilation and so improve the blood flow. Number 7. Take a bath or shower. Water can help soothe muscles and reduce stress. Cold water can constrict the blood vessels, and while that may initially raise the blood pressure, but it will lead to a later reduction in the blood pressure during the rewarming process. Number 8. Physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity can have a positive impact on the blood pressure. Exercise helps strengthen the heart and improves blood flow, leading to a lower blood pressure level. So aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise for most days of the week, such as brisk walking, cycling, running, dancing, swimming, and gentle stretching. Number 9. Reduce sodium intake. Consuming too much sodium can contribute to high blood pressure. Limit your intake of canned soups, olives, pickles, salted nuts, French fries, frozen and processed foods. Instead, opt for fresh whole foods and season your meals with herbs and spices instead of salt. Number 10. Increase potassium intake. Potassium is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Include potassium-rich foods in your diet, such as bananas, oranges, spinach, and sweet potatoes. These foods can help counteract the effects of sodium and lower the blood pressure. Next is drink water. Chronic dehydration can lead to high blood pressure because your body reacts by constricting the blood vessels. Drinking a glass of water likely isn't going to immediately reduce your blood pressure. However, maintaining optimal hydration can help manage your blood pressure in the long term. Number 12. Reduce caffeine consumption. Caffeine increases your blood pressure temporarily. Your blood pressure can be elevated for up to 3 hours after drinking coffee. Then avoid energy drinks. Energy drinks contain high amounts of sodium, caffeine, and other stimulants that can raise the blood pressure. Number 14. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure. Find healthy ways to manage your stress. These include practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, engaging in hobbies, or seeking support from loved ones. Taking time for self care and prioritizing activities that bring you joy can help reduce the stress level and lower the blood pressure. Then quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and raises blood pressure. Quitting smoking can have immediate and long term benefits for your blood pressure and overall health. Next is maintain a healthy weight. If you are overweight and have hypertension, then losing weight could help normalize your blood pressure. Excess body fat means your heart needs to work harder to pump the blood throughout your body. Next is improve sleep. Getting poor quality sleep can increase your risk of high blood pressure. The American Heart Association recommend 6 to 8 hours of sleep per night to avoid the cardiovascular or heart issues. Number 18. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can raise the blood pressure. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. Men should limit their intake to 2 drinks per day, while women should limit it to 1 drink per day. Then adopt a healthy diet. Incorporate a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and also lean proteins. Reduce your intake of saturated fats and processed foods. And the last tip, monitor your blood pressure. Regularly check your blood pressure at home using a blood pressure monitor. This will help you to keep a track of your readings and make necessary adjustment to your lifestyle. It is important to remember that these methods may not replace medication prescribed by a healthcare professional, but they can be used as complementary strategies to support overall blood pressure management. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.